The Blue Sail Private School in Almaty is a leader of educational center that produces the best students who enters leading universities worldwide. The private school opened 25 years ago with more than 5,000 graduates. Today, the Blue Sail School has new generation of students.
Образование – это основа основ. Какая будет страна?
Education is fundamental. The future of the country, of the world, and the earth will depend on the educated and smart people who value their land, their country, and their family. This knowledge is provided by the education system, including schools, universities, and kindergartens, because everything starts with the little ones.
Потому что все начинается с маленьких.
The Blue Sail is an educational complex that includes kindergartens and secondary schools. It is an official experimental site where the team tested a 12-year training system for the first time. The school is also where true patriots are educated.
Это то даже не будущее Казахстана, это то
This
настоящее.
is not even the future of Kazakhstan. This is the present of Kazakhstan. They are children who perfectly master foreign languages and who are intelligent and literate patriots of their homeland.
Грамотные, умные патриоты своего отечества.
One of the first major lessons that were held on the first day of the new academic year was titled, I am a patriot of my country. First graders sealed the time capsule with wishes for future students in the next 10 years. They wrote, Love your country to the future kids.